Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. This is the voice of the clocks. For those of you who have not done their testnet and want to participate in the testnet, let me just use this short video to guide us on what to do. Now, please, if you want to do it, it's very simple. Just make sure you have updated MetaMask. Then, after updating your MetaMask and your MetaMask is fully updated, then you open it. Now I am using Mrs. Browser because I have my MetaMask embedded on it. So you can just look at MetaMask here, look at how it looks like. See MetaMask here. So but me, I'm using Mrs. Browser. So I can open my MetaMask through here. Look at my MetaMask here. So once my MetaMask is open, the next thing to do is to add OES testnet in this MetaMask. How do you do that? You see this thing, this logo here, this sign here. You will still see it in your normal MetaMask. You click on the sign, something like this will appear. Then, so after clicking on the Ethereum logo, which is the first thing you will see, then the next thing you see is click add network. You see it, add network here. You click on add network and allow it to load. So once it opens, the next thing to do is to scroll down here. You will see add a network manually. You click on add a network manually, then something like this will appear. Or in your MetaMask, you might see something like this. You might see something like custom networks. This is what you will click in your MetaMask. If you see something like custom networks, you click on it. If you see add network manually, you click on it. Custom network, it will appear in this form. Then once it appears in this form, the next thing to do is to write the name of the the blockchain you are trying to add in the MetaMask. Number one. Now, how do you get that? You check the WhatsApp where I'll drop it for you, or you can ask me to drop you the details in the WhatsApp. Now, look at the names and the information you need to add the testnet. Number one is OpenEX Long Testnet. Number two is network RPC. Number three is chain ID. Number four is the symbol. Number five is the Explorer. Now let us add this in one after the other. Now number one, which is the OpenEX Long Testnet, is the name. You go back to your MetaMask and type the name as the OpenEX Long Testnet. Then new RPC. The new RPC, you check it, is there. New RPC, you can look at it here. You copy it. You paste. Then the chain ID, you go and look for the chain ID 7798. That's the chain ID 7798. Then the symbol is USDT. Then the 7798, sorry. The symbol is USDT. Then the Explorer, you copy the Explorer, click and hold and copy the link. Scan. Then this is the scan. Then the Explorer, you paste the Explorer. Now then once you're done, you click on so then after you have filled all the information, you click on add network. Click on add. You allow it to add. Now immediately you click on add and wait a bit. You need to wait a bit because sometimes it takes longer before loading. Then you see that it has added. Look at it here. OpenEX Long Testnet has been added. Then what else do you need to do? Now the next thing to do is to go back to the same WhatsApp where I sent you a link. You copy a link that leads to that quiz. Each wallet has a unique quiz to answer. Now when you get back to your WhatsApp, look at it here, look at the quiz link here, long.hub.openex.network/quiz. You click and hold it and copy it. You come to your MetaMask and open it in your browser. If you are using Mrs. browser, you open it here. But if you are using normal MetaMask, look at where you're going to open it. You open it in this place. You click on this place, this icon here. Click on it. Then once you click on it, you click on this plus sign. Then you click on the allow it to load. After loaded, you click search or type URL. You paste it here. Paste. Once you're done pasting, you click on enter or search. It will load and open. Once it's loaded like this, the next thing to do is to connect to your wallet. Click here. If it's not connected, you click here to connect. Then once it's connected, click here, click like this. It's already connected. Then once it's connected, you click on the start. If you understand English very well, you click on the start. These are for people in China and other Asian parts. This is their language, they understand very well. Then you click on start. And once you click on start, it will load and ask you to confirm or sign in. Now sign in. You click on sign. Now your question will appear for you. Look at the questions here. It will appear. Then once the question has appeared, then what do you do again? Then you start answering your questions. Each wallet has a unique question. So my question may be different from the one they are going to ask you to answer. Now, the number one here is, what is blockchain? A technology that enables global community to share equally. Yes. A tamper-proof distributed digital ledger used to record transactions. Yes. All the above. Where does blockchain security come from? Number B should be answer. What is a DAO? A decentralized autonomous organization. An organization represented by rules accorded. That's the answer. No need of reading long grammar. How should a community uphold common interests? Vote together and share decision making. I think that's the answer. Then what is Web3? A trend in website design. A JavaScript library used for development of decentralized application. B is what I'm answering. So I click on submit. Click on sign in. Now answer has been answered correctly. So after answering your test correctly, that's all. You have already passed the test. You can just go and make use of the USDT to either swap or whatever, but those ones are just an added effort to make sure you participate in the testnet. It doesn't count anymore. So what actually counts is that you have participated in the testnet by passing the KYC. So that is how to pass your KYC. And note that the $10 they are giving you is not real $10. For some of you that are suffering and killing yourself to get the $10 just because they say they are giving $10, it's not a real $10. It's a fake $10 for testing. So that's how you can be able to pass your KYC. Don't forget to listen to the voice of the clocks. And if you are using the same wallet you used to claim your call, for those of you that have participated in call during call distribution, you are going to choose a different wallet. Don't use the same wallet you used during call testnet to do this OEX testnet. Please use a different wallet. Even call or have already tweeted it that we are going to be required to use a different wallet. Please don't use the same wallet. Thank you and God bless you. This is the voice of the clocks. Do well to share this to your friends and those whom you have already referred to this project to get the best information. Thank you.